Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today my wife and I are going to be washing our cheap GMC truck with products from Dollar Tree. Before we get started, make sure you check out our new store for all the latest merchandise from the Garage USA, including some items that are available for a limited time. Not only do they look great, it also helps support the channel. Now back to the video. Thanks for joining me. With the cost of everything going up, I thought I would try some products from Dollar Tree to wash a vehicle. And I think the perfect vehicle to try that on is our new cheap GMC Sierra truck. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, and so all the products that you see here we did purchase at Dollar Tree, and everything there is like $1.25. We've got the bucket, got the microfiber towels, the little scrubby brush thing, and then all the chemicals. So like the soap and the wax and things like that. All of that came from Dollar Tree. Okay, so starting off, I'm just going to rinse off the entire truck with water. And I know people are probably like, why would you wash this cheap truck? And really it's to test the cheap products, because I watched what happened when some other YouTuber used some products that they weren't familiar with on a very expensive vehicle, and that did not turn out very well. So instead of trying this stuff on any of my Mercedes or even the Jeep, I thought that the GMC would be the correct or appropriate vehicle to try this stuff out on, because we didn't pay much for it. There's a ton of rust on it. The clear coat that's on it is, it's not a good looking vehicle to begin with. And so even if these products are crap, I'm not going to ruin anything by using these products on this truck. Alright, so this is the Driver's Choice Ultra Gel Wash and Wax. And I'm going to go ahead and get the truck washed with this. And again, all of these other products come from Dollar Tree as well, including that little sponge that I'm using to clean this up. And I'm just showing you all the rust along the wheel arches there. There is just tons of rust. I mean, it's too bad that these things get so rusted out here in the Midwest. But again, like I said, I'm not too worried about how this turns out, because obviously it can't get any worse. And there's some rust along the rockers there. Alright, now I'm giving it a rinse and get all the soap off the vehicle. And then I found this at Dollar Tree as well, the Formula One Color Wax. So this is the black tint. It's something I wanted to try. I don't see this at Dollar Tree anymore. I bought like 3 bottles of this at one of the stores, and like I said, I haven't seen it since I got it, but I did get it from there. Alright, my wife is just applying it to the vehicle. So we'll see how this turns out, because it is a ceramic coating, and I've never tried ceramic on a vehicle either, so learning a few new things, you know. Alright, there it is from a distance. It actually looks pretty decent. It's got, you know, where there is clear coat paint, it does have a certain luster to it. It looks pretty good, so I'm actually pretty impressed with that ceramic coating. Like I said, I didn't want to put it on something nice right off the bat, but I feel pretty confident now that you know, I've tried this out, that I might actually put it on a nicer vehicle. But it did turn out really nice. It's got a lot of shine in there, a lot of luster, so I do like the way that it looks. Now again, the paint is far from perfect. Far from perfect. You know, the rust and the just everything fading, and it's just it has not been treated well in its life, but you know, it looks good, and so like I said, I'd love to try it on a better vehicle. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.